Hello there. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this in the globe. Welcome to Nana's Classic Stitches channel. If you are new, welcome and thank you for clicking. Welcome all my subscribers and returnees. Thank you so much. Welcome to Nana's channel. Okay, today, as I said before, we're going to continue doing our pant. Okay, I've cut all my pieces and first I trace them all out, like from the previous video. I suggested that you don't have to always use tracing paper and a tracing wheel. You can always trace it too. So this is my pattern pieces and I trace them all up with a tracing paper. Okay, and here's the waist. I trace each and every piece that I'm going to be working on. So hold on, let me show you the pant part too. Also, there we go. That's the front. That's the front. I trace it, I put all the markings in there, and then I put all the seam allowance in there too. And this is, woo, this is the back. Okay, now before you go to the machine, let me get myself together here. Before we go to the machine, you need your zipper, your zipper foot, your interfacing for the waistband, and a strip of interfacing for the pocket edge. And you can also use, how did they say, twill, I think it's TWILL. You can use that. It's very firm and light, and it's they have it in a quarter, half an inch, 1 inch, 2 inch, but you only need the quarter or 3/8, a quarter or 3/8, so that the edge of the pocket won't stretch when you're wearing it, because you know our hands are going to be going in and out, and this is cut on a bias, so that helps it from not stretching and gaping. So now let me get myself together. I'll go to the machine and I'll walk you through. I think today we might just do the dart, maybe the pocket, and then we'll continue next week. But right now, let me get myself together and I'll go to the machine and I'll walk you through step by step. So see you in a bit. Hello there, I'm back. Okay, I've ironed the folding edge. Don't worry about that, it's gonna go in the seam. I've ironed the interfacing at the pocket edge before I join the main pocket. This is on the pant, okay? And then I pleated. I put the pleat in with the pin, and I'm going to stitch 1 inch, okay? That's the front. And this is the back. I pin the dart. And I'm going to walk you through one back, one front, and then I'm going to get off, iron, and the back. So hold on. Let me move the camera around to the machine, so you can see me stitch. There we go. This is the front. Make sure your pleats got to stitch, because you're stitching one each. Make sure your pleats are in place properly, not crooked. Okay, that's the front pleat. It's hard to see with the stripes. Now this is the back dart, and I had to take in my dart a little bit at the back to fit my waist. As I said, I have a tiny waist. Make sure you match all your notches, and if you need to put pins in the dart, put pins. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, so it depends on how comfortable and experience you have. Okay, that's the dart. That's the front. So I'm gonna get off, iron, and I'll be back. Hello, I'm back. Okay, I've pressed the dart towards center back, but I've walked you through how to press your darts and all that. Always remember to press it the wrong side, the dart itself, and then press it toward the center back. And then the front one, don't press the dart flat. Just press it up to the 1 inch mark, okay? And I'm gonna walk you through the, what do you call it? The pocket. Okay. My pocket, I have serged it, the inside. Okay, I've set the edge. This is the center front, and this is the side seam. This is the inner pocket, and this is the outer pocket. Okay, I have serged it. It's hard to see, I know. Anyway, let me walk you through it. Make sure again, match all your notches. That's the wrong side of the pocket I've taken. I'm getting myself confused here. There we go. That's the right side. And it's 5/8, but I'm taking in a little bit more for mine. Because I noticed the pocket is a little bit tight. Blue on blue. I should say royal blue on royal blue is hard to see. Okay. There we go. Let's see. There, I got it right. Looking for my notches. Okay, gonna do the other one, press it, and then do the understitch at the pocket edge. Okay, so I've walked you through one, so I'm gonna put it off, do the other one, press it towards the pocket, the seam allowance, towards the pocket, and then do edge stitch. But I'm not gonna film that. Okay, so see you in a bit. Hello, I'm back. Family, make sure you don't make the same mistake that I just made. This is the inner pocket. Okay, the funny shape. This is the inner pocket. So this goes to the pant pocket edge, and it goes inside. I just sewed it and I realized I put the wrong piece in first. This is supposed to go in first at the edge of the pocket on the pant. Okay, so this one goes right to right side. And you sew it. So now I've done one and I'm going to walk you through it. So this is it. And I pin it. So I'm going to sew around all the pocket and I'll be back and I'll show you to you. Hello, I'm back. Okay, pocket is done. Lately, okay. This is the front. This is it. Okay, so one pocket is done. And then, oops, that's the wrong side. Okay, so this will be the end of the video for today. And then I'll see you next week. We'll do the other, I'll do the other side of the pocket. And then next week we'll do the zipper. And then we'll continue from there. Okay, so happy sewing. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you next week. Bye-bye for now.